Hi everyone, so I'm already on the PIXLR website. I'll have a link down below and I'll also have the name on the screen, but I'm going to be taking the lasso tool to cut out the background behind me. This is nice if you don't want the background behind you, and my phone went off, but if you don't want the background around you, you just cut it off, whatever it may be. I'm just using this photo and I'm just using a lot of the techniques I use as an example. And I'm just going to be taking my time, and when I use a lasso tool, it's very important that you hit on the polynomial. I think I'm messing up that word, but you want to hit on the second one. You do not want to hit the first one. It's very important because it's going to ask you to freestyle, and unless you have a steady hand, that is the most ideal. But if you don't, like me, clicking the second one, it's going to allow some guidance, and you don't need a steady hand. And it's just gonna make it a lot faster, and you can be really precise if you hit the second one. So it's important that you hit the second tool like I'm doing right now. I'm just outlining the parts that I want, and the parts that I don't want are not going to be kept in this photo. And you want to connect them all together like I just did. You want to make sure it is connected, and then you're going to hit cut. Very important that you do that. And then you're going to hit new image, and you're going to click those two and hit OK, and then you're going to get this like a PNG look, and then you're going to hit that button over there, and you're going to click outer glow if you want to outer glow. A lot of YouTubers do this to add emphasis to whatever they want, so not only on yourself, but if you're doing this with like a group of people or a product or like a technology, whatever, you can do this. You see a lot of YouTubers outlining themselves and adding like a glow because it catches the attention, and you can pick any color you want. I just chose pink. You can do green, yellow, white, black, whatever you want. This is like a YouTuber thumbnail, like essentials. You literally just look at other YouTubers and how they do their thumbnails and replicate them into yourselves. They probably use like Adobe or Photoshop, and then you're gonna hit the second one, which is PNG, because that's how you're gonna get the PNG. If you do not hit the PNG one, it's not going to be a PNG, and you're gonna name your file whatever you want it to be. I just named mine YouTube, and you're gonna save it. And now I'm on to FOTOJET. I'll have the direct link down below. It's important that you use the direct link that I provide below because it's already gonna have a pre-made thumbnail size. You don't have to like customize the size. That's why I really like this website, because it already has a customized thumbnail, and you're gonna upload your PNG. And as you can see, I have me, myself, and I don't have the background, and I just chose this random color green. You can pick any color you want. You can have another photo if you want, upload another photo on top of that photo. And I just went on the internet and I searched up PNGs of makeup products that I mentioned in my video. I actually have this video live, so if you want to see that video, then click down below. But I'm just messily doing everything. Obviously, if I didn't already have a thumbnail made for this video, then I would have made it a lot nicer. You can definitely see how that thumbnail came out in that video. Like I said, I'll have a link down below, but I'm just playing around with everything. Play around with whatever you like. Do you want to double it? Do you want to like change the color of it? Like, this part is totally up to you and what you like, and it's important that you get PNGs of everything, because you don't want like a white background like taking up like 90% of your photo. So this part is just freestyle, whatever you like. The lipstick can go above you, below you, right next to you, whatever you like. And then I'm gonna go on to the shapes, and I'm going to grab the square, and I'm gonna hit no fill because I'm gonna put a border around it, and you can pick any color that you want. And I also like this website because you can pick the color that you want. You can customize your own colors, so that's why I really like this website as well. This is another thing YouTubers do, especially like the beauty guru YouTubes. They add borders to their videos. I don't know why, but I do it too, and this is how I do mine. And next I'm going to add some text. You can add text on this website. That's why I like this website as well. And you can literally put whatever you want, whatever your video is about. I just put testing new products, question mark. And I spelled product wrong, but I fixed it. And there's a lot of things you can do. You can add a glow, you can add an outline. There's a lot of fonts you can pick from. And also you can customize the color that you want and the size. You can underline, you can bold, you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. And I'm just playing around with the colors that I want. It's really up to you. Like I said, you can add a glow, you can add an outline, you can make it super opaque, less opaque. It's really up to you. That's why I really like this website. And you can make the outline really thick or really thin, really up to you, like I said. And you can add emojis. They have a lot of cool like things you can use, banners, arrows, emojis. I usually don't add emojis to my videos, but I just threw one in there just in case you're like, do they have like those kind of things? They do. This is why I really like this website. And this is how my final thumbnail came out. And this should really cover everything for y'all. So please subscribe if you guys like this video, and I would love to see you guys in my next one. Bye!